Hello everyone. Welcome to the introduction of Garcia Ennergetics. With the course that I teach, it's obviously energy work. A lot of you are familiar with energy work. I incorporate what I share in my book, Guiding Personal Source, as you can see on the screen. In the courses, I teach people how to scan energy or how to track it and how to harmonize the field. Some people call it correcting, I call it harmonizing. With the course, you can all harmonize anything and everything because anything and everything is energy. And when you tap into the information that I share with you, you'll be surprised to know that, wow, it's very simple. You can harmonize pretty much anything, not just health issues, but also finances, relationship, pretty much anything. Now, we all have what's called a personal source of energy. I call it a guiding personal source, g.p.s, your own personal g.p.s. For example, the book, it's experiential, meaning that when you pick it up, it starts harmonizing you. A lot of people have told me they've taken it to their operating room, to their visits with their attorney, accountant, and it harmonizes the field just by being in their presence. For example, you can take the book and think of something that you'd like to harmonize or work on and just flip it open. For example, right now, let's do this exercise. You guys can participate in it. Think about something you'd like to improve in your life. I'll give you examples. A lot of people have issues with money, finance, relationship. Those three things are big issues that we all have. So pick one of those, you're going to participate, and you're going to feel it. You're going to harmonize. You're going to do your first harmonization or treatment on yourself. Okay? So think about it. I'm thinking of one myself right now. For all of you out there viewing this, and thank you for viewing, by the way. So there it is. The foundation, intention, knowingness, and neutrality. That's for all of you. I just happen to flip the book open and it says that. So we have a foundation of intention. We have a knowingness to clear something, to correct something. Please know that once you do that, once I've opened the book and harmonized the field, you may feel lighter. You might feel woozy, lightheaded, like I'm moving my body right now, like in a wave. A lot of people experience that. Now that's a positive register. We call them registers in energetics, or in other works too, in other energy types of work. Now, based on this, you pretty much handled a huge part of your life just by what you just did. You may not know that. You may not even believe that, and that's okay. But in the courses that I teach, I share with you on a personal level. I keep my courses intimate, meaning within 20, 30, maybe maximum 60 people, because I want to be personally there with you to guide you every step of the way. When you come and take the course, I'm there with you, hands-on, and you also get treated there in the class. A lot of people, they enjoy those classes. I enjoy teaching them. I really enjoy what I do. I want to share this method with you. It's not just mine. It's for you guys. It's for the universe, pretty much, to harmonize the field. There's a lot of strife out there. There's a lot of stress out in the world. We want to be able to harmonize it. So please, I invite you to look on the website, look on, at times that we offer the course. I do also remotes. You can contact our office by email, and we set up appointments remotely for you if you'd like to do that. But I really suggest that coming and taking the course will help you become a better person. You can even use the information you learn in the course to make a living. I have a lot of students out there that are creating a good living with what I teach them. It's not just come in and learn something for a weekend and then you go and you never use it again. Please understand that. It's experiential, you get it, and it helps you. So I welcome you to come to look at my website, look at, at the book. You can order the soft copy on Amazon. The hard copy is here through the office. You can email us and we'll ship it out to you. And I can even sign it for if you like. Remember, the book is experiential. You feel it, you get it, and you get connected with the field of what I teach. I welcome you to my courses. Please know that everyone's welcome. Okay? So, thank you for viewing this, and we'll see you in class.